Hey guys, today we are making a delightful pecan cup with a cookie butter cream. They are quite tasty and they make a beautiful presentation. Let's go ahead and take a look at our ingredients. Start by roughly chopping your pecans. I have my pecans in a plastic bag and I'm using a rolling pin to break them up a bit. You're going to need a mini muffin pan. I'm using a 24 cup pan, which is perfect for my 24 count ready to bake cookie dough. So with a baking spray, you want to lightly spray each cup. Now place the prepared cookie dough in each cup. Also, now is a good time to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. To make the cups, you want to simply use your thumb to lightly press to make an indentation in each cookie. Or you can use a shot glass dipped lightly in flour to make the indentation. This is my preferred method. Now add your chopped pecans to each cup, as many as you like. Listen guys, by adding pecans to these sugar cookies, once baked, it reminds me of the pecan sandies cookie. Delicious. We're going to place these into our 350 degrees oven and we're going to bake them for 18 minutes. While our pecan cups are baking, let's go ahead and work on our cookie buttercream. I'm going to use half of this small container of icing, and I'm going to start with 1 heaping tablespoon of the cookie butter and mix well. Then add a dash of vanilla extract. Make sure you taste along the way. I'm adding another tablespoon of the cookie butter because that's the dominant flavor I'm aiming for. That's perfect. Our pecan cups has cooled. We're going to give them a gentle turn to remove them from the pan. Look at that. Beautiful. Now we're going to take our cookie butter cream and add about a tablespoon right in the center. You can freehand the icing to give it a more rustic look. Then we're going to top it off with a pecan half. Beautiful. Or you can use a piping bag with a decorative tip for a more elegant look. Then top each cup off with a pecan half. Beautiful. Guys, this little semi-homemade, delectable treat is a winner for me. They're perfect for cookouts or any event. So I thank you for watching, and always remember to keep life simple, and we're going to see you on the next one. Bye for now.